stop buying the wrong smart home security system. Because in 2026, innovation isn't just about cameras, it's about systems that think, protect, and adapt like never before. If you're still relying on outdated tech, you're not just behind, you're vulnerable. I've spent weeks tearing apart, testing, and pushing the most cutting-edge security systems on the market to tell you which ones are genuinely innovating and truly worth your money this year. And trust me, the number one pick will completely change how you think about home security. Before we dive into the countdown, let me just say, our top contender for 2026 redefines local AI processing and battery life in ways I genuinely didn't think were possible this year. You're going to want to see this. Let's kick things off with number 5, the Ring Alarm 14-piece kit. This system is a masterclass in comprehensive, DIY home security that slots perfectly into the massive Ring ecosystem. Its best features include a sprawling array of sensors and a base station that ties everything together, offering optional 24/7 professional monitoring. It's incredibly easy to set up yourself, and its Z-Wave compatibility means it plays nice with a huge range of smart home devices you might already own. This system is for anyone deeply invested in the Ring ecosystem, those looking for a complete DIY security setup with optional professional monitoring, and users who want future expandability with smart home devices. Now, for an honest flaw, while comprehensive, the professional monitoring requires a subscription, and without it, some of its most advanced features are limited. Its core innovation here is more about ecosystem breadth than individual component tech. But what if you don't want to be locked into an ecosystem? What if you crave flexibility and a system that truly adapts to your life? That brings us to number 4, the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless system. SimpliSafe's innovation lies in its incredible ease of use and its customer-centric business model. Its best features are the extremely simple DIY setup, the complete lack of long-term contracts for professional monitoring, and the built-in cellular backup that keeps you protected even if your power or internet goes out. It comes with a wide range of customizable sensors, letting you build the perfect system for your needs. This system is for renters, first-time security system owners, or anyone who wants a straightforward, contract-free, and highly customizable system that's easy to move. The honest flaw here is that while the cameras are functional, they aren't as feature-rich or high-resolution as dedicated smart cameras from other brands, and the system can sometimes feel a bit basic compared to more tech-forward competitors. That flexibility is great, but let's be honest, sometimes you need smarts. Real intelligence that can tell the difference between a person and a squirrel. And for that, we turn to the masters of AI with our number 3 pick, the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. Google's innovation here is all about advanced intelligence and seamless integration. Its best features are its truly excellent AI detection, differentiating between people, animals, and vehicles, and its seamless integration with the Google Home ecosystem. The familiar user interface is a breeze to navigate, and with a Nest Aware subscription, you get the option for 24/7 continuous recording. This camera is for Google ecosystem users, those who prioritize advanced AI object detection, and anyone looking for reliable, high-quality outdoor camera surveillance with robust cloud storage options. The honest flaw: to unlock its full potential, including continuous recording and detailed event history, a Nest Aware subscription is virtually mandatory, adding to the recurring cost. And it's not truly wire-free if you want that 24/7 recording. Google's AI is powerful, no doubt. But what if you want that intelligence combined with incredible image quality and the ultimate in wire-free convenience, without needing to always plug into a hub? That's where our number 2 contender shines, the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera. Arlo pushes the boundaries of standalone camera technology. Its best features include stunning 2K HDR video, an integrated spotlight for enhanced visibility and deterrence, and color night vision that makes details pop even in the dark. It's completely wire-free for flexible installation and boasts a super-wide 160-degree viewing angle, plus smart object detection to minimize false alerts. This camera is for users who need flexible, high-resolution outdoor surveillance with excellent night vision and a built-in deterrent, especially those who prefer a wire-free setup. The honest flaw: battery life can vary significantly based on activity and spotlight usage, requiring more frequent recharges than some competitors. And like many, some advanced features are locked behind a subscription paywall. Arlo gives you incredible flexibility and sharp images, but when we talk about pushing boundaries, about next-level innovation in local processing, solar power, and privacy-focused storage, only one system truly broke the mold in 2026. And our number one most innovative smart home security system of 2026 is the Eufy Security eufyCam 3. This system is genuinely groundbreaking. Its best features are the stunning 4K video resolution that captures every detail, combined with local AI processing directly on the Homebase 3 for features like facial recognition, all done on-device to protect your privacy. But the real kicker? Incredibly long, practically infinite, solar-powered battery life, meaning these cameras largely take care of themselves. Plus, it offers expandable local storage. This system is for tech enthusiasts, privacy-conscious users who want local AI and storage, and anyone looking for the absolute cutting edge in wire-free, set-and-forget outdoor security cameras. The honest flaw: while the local AI is powerful, it's still evolving and can occasionally misidentify unique faces. The initial investment for the Homebase 3 and cameras is also higher than some entry-level systems. So there you have it, the most innovative smart home security systems of 2026. Every one of these is a fantastic choice, but our top pick truly blew me away with its forward-thinking features. To get the absolute best prices on all these systems right now, don't wait. Check the pinned comment and description below before those deals are gone. Which system are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you secure your smart home, smash that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech reviews.